Hi guys, this is Clinic Shirts, and today just gonna show you how to produce a song quite and easy on Logic Pro X. So X stand for extreme. So let's give it a shot. First of all, you want to make sure that you have remix reverse vocal FX. So it's just let's hear it. Yeah. So if you have a song that begins with that sound, you're gonna be on the radio for sure. So let's let's just hear the drums right now, and you can click on that to remove the loop section. Fuck you, okay? Fuck you. Oh yeah. Do. Okay. Oh yeah. The. Oops. Shit. Okay. When that appears, you should go in preferences, audio. Just put the buffer size more up. It will initialize the audio. Okay. Come on, motherfucker. Okay, penis. Let's give it a shot again. That's a beat. Yeah. Pretty powerful, eh? Let's hear the bass. Some silence, like Miles Davis. Okay, and on top of that, you want something that just help all the melodic to snosh. So yeah, it's like a voice. It's Vox Deo. So let's hear it once again. Everything. Okay, you click enter, and then press spacebar. Fuck you. Yeah. Some shaker, it helps to sex. Music. What was that? Music word. Spoken word. Music. If you want to put some creativity in your mix, just go fuck yourself, please. Okay? Goodbye. Delete everything.